Nice work, fellas. Good job. Coming out of the ground. What a touch.
That was a stroke of genius.
Woody.
Thanks.
Everybody say bye, house.
Woody the van.
Bye, house. Bye, house.
We gotta run fence, guys. Quick. Get it. Just go. I'll catch up. Come on. You can do it, Woody. Get away, you stupid! Stop! Go! Go! Hold on, Woody! I can't do it! Take care of Andy! Take care of Andy for me! Are we there already? Woody! Woody!
How did you do?
How'd he get here?
Where have you been? What happened?
What's going on? What's he taking?
Aha! There you are!
Hey, what's he doing?
He's at it again! You don't understand. Barnes is out there. We gotta help him. No. Toss him overboard. Well, thanks for the ride. Look out! Now let's catch up to that truck.
Guys, Woody's riding our team. And where's his wisdom?
It's my fault. Oh, so the truth.
What have we done?
Great, now I have guilt. We're almost there. my tail.
By the boy, Slick.
Woody, speed up! Speed up! The batteries! They're running out! Ow, 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 ow!
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Great! Woody, the rocket! The match! Yes! Thank you, Sid! No! No, no! 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 Woody, what are you doing? Hold still, Buzz! You did it! Next stop, Andy. Wait a minute. I just lit a rocket. Rockets explode! Sugar, held on long.
Look, it's Woody and Buzz coming up fast.
This is the part where we blow up! Not today! Hey, Buzz! You're flying! This isn't flying. This is falling with style. To infinity and beyond! Buzz! We missed the truck! We're not aiming for the truck.
Hey, wow!
What? What is it?
Woody! Buzz!
Oh, great, you found them. Where were they?
Here in the car!
See? Now, what did I tell you? Right where you left them.